Hello my friends, you are welcome. In this video I want to solve this math problem. F of x plus 1 over x equals x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. What is the function f of x? In this example the inner function is given. It is x plus 1 over x, and the composite function is also given, x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, and we are asked to find the simple function f of x. Let's solve this problem step by step in 4 easy steps. In the first step, we set the input function equal to a new variable, x plus 1 over x equals t. And so this is same to this formula, a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b cubed minus 3 ab times a plus b. X cubed plus 1 over x cubed equals x plus 1 over x whole cubed minus 3 x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x. X with x cancel out, and so x cubed plus 1 over x cubed equals x plus 1 over x whole cubed minus 3 times x plus 1 over x. In the second step, we express the variable in terms of the new variable, x cubed plus 1 over x cubed equals t cubed, replace, minus 3 t. In the third step, we substitute the result into the function and get a simple function of the new variable, f of t equals t cubes minus 3t. In the fourth step, by substituting the required variable with the obtained variable, we obtain the desired function. We substitute x for t. F of x equals x cubed minus 3x. Here is the function we wanted. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching.